You're not strong because you never break. You're strong because you rebuild. After the fall, after the silence, after the night when you almost gave up, you still chose to rise. And no one saw that moment when you looked at yourself with tired eyes and said, "I'll try again." That is strength, not the loud kind, but the real kind. So if today you're holding the pieces and wondering how to start again, just know this is where strength begins. And if this feels like your story, you might want to stay a little longer. You're not alone in this. Not here. Find your peace and hold your soul close.